Saturday. We'll have the on draft. We'll have the Menacing beer block from Ely's World Famous Salsa. The Menacing roasted red salsa from San Juan Salsa. If you've never seen those out, you never had a chance to taste it, go by for an hour or two. And just hang with us.
Run up on Mickey.
I know this is your place, man, but I just soiled myself.
Good choice.
What do I
Top
do?
wasn't there, I'm sure he would have.
Characters don't talk. Okay. You think any of the mascots prove themselves? Like, sure. While interacting, covering this part of the park, I have put myself minute 15. There's still a line of children.
Oh, Mickey's gonna step away for a second.
What do you do? I don't think you can just like run into the back one behind me and go, that guy just
Brick road is soon like the dust.
There's a reason
Go over.
babies get cranky and start crying when they have a soiled diaper. It does not make sense for diaper rags to stick.
Yep, it's completely obstructed crosswalk.
More presidents, more stopping.
Side of the road. Very good. Good parenting.
Oh, why? If I'm storing you, December.com. Looking for the Greg Boone podcast on the free audio.
Overtake within an intersection. Alright, how you do it? Sure it's clear before you nose out in the traffic.
I mean, like Mike said, if it was meant to be, it was meant to be. I was, paint my pants and then just go home.
Move over.
Not stay for dinner.
No, I would just go home.
In other words, the waitress has already taken the menu. The food's on the way. You got appetite limited. All right. And I figured, you know what? That's it. I would never want to fish. But notice, I'll go Liechtenstein.
I'm glad you did, but no, Germany. Okay. Deutschland. What do you call people from Denmark? Danish. Right, but Denmark. Yeah, you're right. They're Danish. I didn't know. I was just high in my head.
Not fast.
That's Denmark. All right. There are 16 ounces in
It's
an
gonna cost
American
them nothing to wait.
How many ounces are in a British Imperial?
Of the thrill.
Black Mountain.
Now that you gave it away, how much is it? Stout or what's the other one?
Hooray.
Well, you could have it with cider. I always think it was cider if I was Black Velvet. Oh, boy. There we go. The big old
I could have swore it did something, right?
It is dark side of the night.
Oh my gosh. This is terrible, you
All right.
We're not going to let it. I believe that would be Apollo Creed.
Distracted drivers.
Hello, Matt.
They're a danger to everybody.
Here's that point before he said.
I'm going to say 68. 75. 75. Well, I know what that is. I just can't say it right. He should have thanked the phone. I want to know what that is. I was on to say, I gave you the cell phone. I got demo. Alright. I just looked it up IQ scores. I didn't realize it. You were going to be over at least 85. Yeah. You do. And I don't want to say, how smart are you? Well, where do you go to get a real IQ test? Because I know those ones that come up on the phone.
I'm appealing not here in the United States.
Can you not see there's no room?
On your phone are real when you score high. Oh, then you don't know that. I had a 175. Just a bunch of trivia. My brain goes in the phone. Exactly.
Now you can go.
All right, good question. The reason is the largest part of what's going on.
Women drivers.
Insane. Very good.
Insane and the men drive.
Well, I think everyone in the world who likes to be a contestant, cool, 603 Rock.
You could have pulled back. Or just could have not overtaken it all.
Sober, not sober.
sober today, Miles.
All right, Justin, welcome to Big Jump.
Whoa!
Never
Use
saw
your
her
eyes!
make this, by the way, she just said that she could play a bongo with her lady.
Tracking or anything. So,
Where's the signal?
you know, it's just the first day. If you poop your pants on the
Oh,
first
you have to think for the glacier. There's nothing in that lake. They put us down in the field. They dammed all of the rivers and created those so they could have time.
But they got like right. Well, this state has no natural lakes that are filled. There is lakes that have been dammed up. But this state, if it has a lake, it was made by you. Correct. There's not a single natural lake in this state.
I want to say maybe Nevada.
Well, West Virginia has no natural lake.
Maryland. Look at the natural lake. Silver.
That's the glacier's going to come down to.
That's the question. Yeah,
Fucking asshole!
Yeah, it's in Wisconsin. The first dinner. Disneyland.
Then you can run to the bathroom.
Nearly hits me.
Like, try to, you know.
Okay.
Oh, we know. Yeah. Or at least we will see. All right. Your question. In the nursery rhyme, what line comes after Mary, Mary, quite contrary?
Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Oh.
Why are your fingers so long? That is not it.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary.
Did you just have your
You
pants?
lose your pants and be married. I don't know.
Getting on stuff and something? How does the garden go? How does your garden grow?
Here's the latest thing about it. Okay, it has this and that's fine.
Oh, yeah. I don't know Mary, Mary, I can see it.
Okay. Tell me again.
No, shut it up. We're going to ask you a question. It's almost in here.
No, it's in the bladder.
No, pee is in your bladder. What is in your gallbladder?
Catch that lake. Side of the road. Thank you. Nearby storm. liking it. Not good. Boom. Yeehaw! Thunder! Yes, kids. Suck it.